Dreaming of owning a cozy, updated condo in the heart of Denver without breaking the bank? Welcome to 5770 East Warren Avenue, apartment 207, where modern living meets affordability. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo set in the serene Jasmine Condos community is your ticket to homeownership in Denver's bustling real estate market. Step inside to discover a remodeled space that meets the needs of today's homeowners. The inviting family room flows seamlessly into the dining area, creating an open, welcoming space for gathering and making memories. The kitchen has been transformed with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a chic subway tile backsplash. The floors have also been replaced with a high-quality LVP. The primary bedroom has a private covered porch, a perfect nook for morning coffees or quiet evenings. The updated bathroom also boasts new flooring and quartz countertops. Located just doors away from the laundry facilities and close to major highways, shopping, and schools, this condo offers convenience at every turn. Plus, with heat included in the HOA dues, you'll enjoy warm, worry-free living all year round. But Jasmine Condos is more than just a place to call home. It's a community set in the Holly Hills neighborhood, known for its exceptional schools, low vacancy rates, and a blend of historic charm and modern amenities. Holly Hills is a tapestry of diverse cultures, languages, and ancestries, making it a truly unique place to live. For those seeking an active lifestyle, Holly Hills doesn't disappoint. With a high walk score, parks, bars, and coffee shops are just a stroll away, offering plenty of opportunities to explore and engage with your surroundings. This condo at Jasmine Condos isn't just a place to live, it's a chance to be part of a vibrant, thriving community. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to downsize, this offers unmatched value and a quality of life that's hard to find elsewhere. Don't miss your chance to make it yours. Explore, dream, and discover your new home today.